Alright, so welcome everyone. Daniel Ulumba speaking here. In this tutorial video, I want to teach us how to create custom shapes in Pixellab. Okay, so that said, let's just get started. Alright, so we're gonna use a white plain background now for this. So, by the way, before then, let me just hide all this so we can flow. Alright, so let's get started. I'll be teaching us how to create, some custom shapes. Now, you must have been seeing these shapes in some designs, and you're like, okay, how is this created? How is this created? Alright, so today I'm gonna show us how it is virtually created. Okay, so let's just give this a color. Okay, let me just give it this color. Let me give it this dark one. Sure. Yeah. So now the first shape we will be creating. Now the radius, of course, you put it 100. Okay, I want to teach us this now. Put it 100, then okay. Now okay, just centralize. Now this shape, you just take it to crop, the crop tool, and then you just, depending on what you want to achieve, you get now. Just drag here, and then you also drag here. You get now. So you see now. Hope we are getting this clearly. So you just reduce. You see, right? You see that, right? So the crop, you can also, if you want the other angle, you can also work on it like this also. Right? We see that, right? Copied. You see, right? See that. So it's now, for example, you want one side to be curved and one side straight. See that, right? So it's not hard. It's very simple. You get. So you just work using this crop tool. So it just depends on how you want it to come out. You get. So in a way also, even from here, you can still adjust. You get, from the normal edit shape tool, you can just adjust and then still come back to crop, just dependent on how you want it to look like. You get. So you see, right? You can reduce, and even after reducing, you can still work on the relative size. You get now. So after reducing, you can come here. Because this is what I do. You come here, then this maintain ratio, the enable, you just remove it, and then you can just work on just the width. See, stretching. But then most times this can be used for the height also. You get. So but it's advisable you just get it straight up from here. So then you just go. So even though if you are adjusting, what you'll be adjusting wouldn't be much. You get, from the relative size now. Hope it's copied, right? So yep. So that's it for this one. Alright. So let's go back. Let's just go back. Let's go back. So now another custom shape I want to teach us is this. Centralize. So after we've created this shape now, okay, should I create okay, it's still the same thing. Let's assume this is another new shape, right? So then okay, now this is it. So now I want to create another custom shape. So this particular shape, you just centralize, and then you copy it, right? And then you go back to edit and remove the radius, remove it, and give it another color. Let's give it black because we're having a white background, right? So now you take it to the back, this new shape, you take it to the back, and then you centralize using the relative button. Are you seeing it? The relative button, you tap this middle one at the top and the middle one below. You tap both. Centralize now. Hope you're getting that. Now, still on this second shape that has the black color, you go to your marks, right? Hope you are seeing this now. Hope you're getting it now. And then this is what you just do. You enable it, and then you just work on it. You work on it, sorry. You work on it, you work on it. Then you also come here. Hope you are seeing this. So you just do it carefully so the everything is smooth. Right? You see now. Now once you've done this, all you have to do is just you merge now. You merge both shapes together. You get merge. And then give it another color entirely. Just color it. So you see now. See how we got this custom shape, right? See that, right? Very, very simple. You see, right? So let's go back. If you wanna let's go back. If you wanna get for the other side, you do the same thing. Sorry. The black one, yes, make sure it's on the black mask. You do the same thing, right? Do the same thing. Still the same thing you do to get that of the other side. So here will be curved. So you see, right? See that, right? Okay. So you see it's still the same thing, and then you merge. Okay, after merging you just give it a color. Like I said, you just have to be careful to make sure the work is smooth enough. You get. So you see, it's very much easy to come up with these shapes, right? Yeah. So I want to teach us the last one. Yep, the last one. So guys, so let me just delete all this and start from top now so we get it well. Now this is the last one. Still the same thing, but I want to use another format, right? So you see this, right? Right, so it's well curved. Let's leave it at 35. Okay, now centralized. The same thing you did for the other one. You copy, give it another color. Let's use black here, right? Then you go to edit and then remove the radius, right? You seen that? Then centralize, also take it to the back. I believe we are seeing this and we're getting it well. And then use the marks tool now, and then you work on it. Oh, sorry, I've not enabled it, right? So you see now, so you adjust this, you take this one out, you adjust this here, sorry, you remove it here so it can come out, and then you also take this up. So you see now, hope you saw what I did there. Right? And then okay, so you merge both together, and then you just give it color. So you see, right? I believe many persons have been having issues before now on how to get shapes like this. So like I said, you can just using this knowledge now or idea, you can use it to create as many custom shapes as you want, and also you set the curve level the way you want it, right? So thank guys for watching. Yeah.